So YouTube, one of the things I'm going to do today, getting the bike ready for St. Anthony's, is underneath here I had a piece of tape here, and what it did is it stopped the whistling. So now I'm going to put this on there, and what that is just a piece of flex hose, and it goes on there. I took a little video earlier with the whistle noise, and so we should hear a difference. So I'll take this Light-Bar off, clean it up, put the pieces of rubber on there and see what it does. So while the adhesive remover is drying, just to get the ink off, I want to talk about something. See these little bars right here? They're causing me the noise. What I didn't notice when I bought this light was this, had I flipped this over, see how all these bars are flat? And I'm sure that has to do with the noise reduction. So basically I put the light on upside down. Well, I could say I did that, but my power for my light was all over here. I guess I could have probably tried to do it from the driver's side if I'd paid more attention to that, but it's just a detail when you're putting these lights on, something to check. So now I'm just gonna put see these little grooves right here. I think every other groove I slide one of those things and it'll stop that whistling noise. You can see that I'm just pushing that in, just working my way down. This has a little built-in slit to the piece, you can see. All right, so we got it. We got all of our moldings on there. You see I used 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And like I said, this is just a molding that I got. It has a little slit in it. See right here. See right there, it has just a little slit in it, and you just push it over the slit and put it on there. And that should take care of all my whistling noises. So light repair. You guys can see underneath there, you see where I run those, and I'll give you an update, but I was told that that'll stop the whistling noise. And one of the things that I don't like about the Can-Am is all the noise it makes inside the cab while you're driving it. Now we ride with headsets, so it's not too bad, but still, when you have a bad whistling noise, I like to clean them up the best I can. And I was running a piece of tape under here that went from here and then covered all those fins. But it didn't look the best, and this looks a lot nicer, and it should do a good job.